Hi, I'm Sherry Dias-Malott, and I'm the leading authority for teaching women how to use makeup with confidence, no matter what season of life they are in. And I want to show you today how powder, a little bit of powder, can help your eyeshadow look. If you don't already have my free guide on how to find the perfect color eyeshadow to wear on your eyes, I'll drop a link below and you can download it. And it's so easy to find the right colors to help your own eyeshadow pop. So if you'll hold on just a minute, I will start the video. And if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, you can hit subscribe and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video here. So hold on just a minute and I'll start the tutorial. So I want to show you how to use makeup, how to use powder in your eyeshadow routine, okay? So I'm going to take a little bit of eye primer and I'm going to put, let me show you. I'm putting it on the back of my hand. So this is not how much I would use on my eyes. I use just a little tiny dot on each eyelid, but I'm gonna put some on the back of my hand. So I'm gonna show you, let me cover this up so this doesn't dry out. I'm just putting some primer all over my hand right here, okay? Because I already have my eye makeup done, so I wanna show you on my hand what I'm talking about. Okay, so it's sticky. You ever use eye primer? It's sticky. Let me take all the color off my brush that I'm going to use, and I'm going to use, I think I'm going to use like a plum color. It's a sort of like a smoky plum color right here. See if I can do this with my left hand. So I'm just going to put shadow on my hand. So I'm trying to apply it to the primer, but can you see how it's not going on very evenly? Do you see what I'm saying? Like the brush is getting stuck to the back of my hand. Why is that? Because primer is really good at holding product. It's sticky. I mean, it is a superstar at what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to hold product, but it's not, like, that doesn't look good, does it? Not at all. It's just, it looks blotchy, it looks messy. So before I started the video, I put primer on this hand just to have, like, to save a little bit of time. It still feels sticky, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my favorite powder. I've been using, this is the only product that I have been using since maybe my 20s. Thank God they still make it because I love it. I really love the extra coverage one because I feel like it works better for my complexion and all that I'm trying to hide on my face, melasma, and I still get acne and all that good stuff. But I really love this product, and I have a huge fluffy brush, okay? And I'm going to take this in here and get some powder on it, okay? Not a lot, just a little bit, and I'm going to dust this onto the back of my hand. And I didn't have a whole lot of powder on here, so let me get a little bit more. There we go. Because I want to make sure. Now, when you use eye primer, you want to make sure that you do a little dusting of powder, okay? This is going to take away, it's not tacky anymore, it's nice and smooth. Let me grab my brush. Let me grab a little bit more product here. By the way, if you love eyeshadow, but you don't know what color you should be wearing for your own eyes, I'll drop a link below to my free guide that I created for you. It's called Eyeshadow Shortcuts, and it will show you easily what colors will really make your own eyes pop, whether you have brown eyes, green, blue, or hazel. But it's a great way if you're looking to maybe you haven't changed your makeup in a long time. I mean, I wore the same eyeshadow colors for 20 years, so there's no judgment from me, trust me. But if you want to know where to start, how do you start to pick a new color? Or if you only wear neutral colors or natural colors, maybe you want something different, my guide will help you a lot. Okay, so now, oh my gosh, this now glides on like butter. It is so smooth. It is like a flawless canvas. And I notice as I get older, like we have so much going on as we get older that you just don't know. There's no one telling you, oh, when you hit 54, Sherry, you're going to have this situation happening on your face. And when you hit 58, you're going to notice more lines over here. Like we don't know all those things, right? They just, all of a sudden they're there. You notice them. And so we get heavier eyelids. This part of our eye right here tends to droop, and so if you used to wear a beautiful eyeliner or a really smooth cat eye look, you know, however you used to do your makeup, it may be that now it's sort of like drooping down at the outer corners, and that's not the look you're going for at all. Or maybe you have more lines under your eyes. So that is why I teach a program called Eyeshadow 101. It's the mature program, the makeup program for mature eyes, because it addresses so many of these things. But if you have eyelids like I have, my eyelids are becoming really bumpy and I'm getting more lines in them and so on and so forth. When you have things going on with your skin, when you have a bumpiness in your eyelid like I have, eye primer can be such a game changer. It can absolutely change the way that your eyeshadow looks. One is smooth, same exact product, same exact brush. One is smooth. I mean, it almost like it's so smooth. I could feel it just brushing it on. This one over here looks like a kid put makeup, a toddler put makeup on my hand. It is so blotchy, so different. Just absolutely changes. I can't get my hands even. Absolutely changes the way that your makeup will look. Now, you can go through all the steps and go, oh yes, well I use primer, I don't know, it just doesn't work for me. Well, if you're doing it like that, yeah, your results are not going to look good. It's not going to be a pretty result, right? It's just going to look blotchy, and it's hard to have softly blended, beautiful eyeshadow when you're doing this. If you're doing this, it's going to be just looking airbrushed almost, right? So pretty, so soft. It's a game changer. How awesome is that tip? It absolutely changes the way that your eyeshadow looks, and it will make you look like a rock star with makeup. It is one of the easiest things that a lot of women forget, but I know you're gonna love this, so let me know if you try it out. Don't forget to follow me if you wanna see my live weekly makeup tutorials over at Glam Lashes Galore on Facebook. You can also follow me on Instagram, also Glam Lashes Galore, and I'd love for you to hit subscribe to sign up for notifications whenever I upload a new video here. Thanks so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.